Good morning, everybody. Today is October 4th, 2022, Tuesday, and the stock market is booming. Dow Jones is up 700 points, and it was up yesterday also like 700 points. So it looks like the market is in major recovery, and this was expected because, you know, we could fall only so far for so long before greed takes over and people realize that they're getting a great discount on the market, and it's time to dive in, maybe little by little, maybe a lot, but finally, you know, fear gave up to greed, and we suddenly started to have major gains. So to be safe, I think you should jump into blue chip stocks that were hammered in the last, I would say, few weeks to a few months, and they're still trading at the 6-month lows, even though they're getting a pretty good bump since literally yesterday. Some of the stocks jumped 3% and another 3, 4, 5% today. So which stock should you buy right now? All these stocks are members of Dow Jones Industrial Average, which consists of 30 major stocks trade in the stock market. So the first one I recommend is CRM, or Salesforce. It's trading at $156. It's up 5%. But it still has ways to go up because it's been trading at a 6-month low for a long time. Another one is Boeing, stock symbol BA, price $132. The stock is a major airline player, plus it's a big military player. So, and in lights of the war that's happening right now in Ukraine, Boeing is getting some major military orders. Another one is Caterpillar. I talked about that stock yesterday. It's up today for another almost 5%. This is a major player in construction, and no matter how you slice it, but the home building will continue to increase in America, because we do have quite a bit of demand for that. Because if you noticed, maybe we have some price decreases in the houses, but the rent is still pretty high, and it's going even higher. So people don't want to be living in rental housing because they have no control of how much they're will pay in the future. Another one is a major bank, JP Chase. This thing is trading at $112. It's up 4%, but again, it's been trading at a 6-month low, and I could tell you that it could go all the way to $130 when it recovers. So from 112 to 130. Another one is Goldman Sachs. Well, this is kind of like a major player on Wall Street, and frankly, the performance of this stock directly depends on how the stock market is doing. So if you notice, what happens is that as soon as the stock market start to turn around, this thing start to go up. It's up 4%. It's trading at $311, but it could go to $350. So that's another good play. Nike, this thing was beaten down to death. It's now trading at $88. It's up 4%, but it could go to $140. So this is a great investment. Plus, if economy recovers, then it's going to be a major player, major consumer player. So another one, which is a blue chip stock for generations, is Microsoft. It's trading at $249. It could go all the way to $320. It's up 3%. And you know, software is, frankly, it's almost like a defense stock, because where can we go without software, especially without personal computers? Another one is CVX, which is Chevron, trading at $157. It's up 3.4%. Again, economy recovers, people are driving cars, I'm driving car, everybody is pretty much, you know, using gasoline. Electric vehicles, even though they're booming little by little, but still it's less than 1% of all the cars on the road. American Express, well, you know, this player, the credit card player, you know, I talked about it yesterday. It's up another 3.3%. It's trading at $144, and it's recovering, could go all the way to $190, from $144 to $190. Very good play. So there's also IBM, Intel, Honeywell, Dow, Home Depot. So all these companies are right now recovering and reversing, and you should be putting your money into it. The thing is that there's like a few other companies that are great buys, but if you want to get a full list of what needs to be, what you need to buy, go to this website, 2stx.com, and what happens is that it will take you to my website. It will take you to the Apple Store, Android Store, and Amazon App Store, where you would be able to download the app called Stock Rank. It covers 7,500 stocks, and you know, updates daily and tells you which stocks to buy. So thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye bye now.